look at what we have here. Old York tabletops. There's 3 of them. These are awesome. Never have seen anything like this before. Here's the data sheet. Cannot make anything out, but I'll take a picture and look at it when I get home. This one's got 4 blades. Awesome unit right here. Oop, this one's missing its fan blade. There's the motor right there. That's interesting. These might be abandoned. At least this one is. Disconnect looks like it's off. Oh yeah, there's like a beehive or something in that disconnect. It's definitely abandoned. Ooh, this one's still legible. I'll have to take a look at that when I get home. It's a 2.5 ton. We got one more over here. This one's the 3-bladed one. This data sheet's also in good condition. This one's also a 2.5 ton. Really happy that I finally found some of these. Been looking for these for ages. Anyways, that'll be about it.